Hi everyone, today I'm sharing a short tutorial on how to convert your PowerPoint slides into a video. This is particularly very useful for your online classes. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll first need to record your presentation. So I'll open a PowerPoint slide here as a sample. And before we start, I wanted to show a very useful tips. All right, so let's just look into your view panel here and choose notes. So each slide will have a notes pane down there. With this note pane, you can actually write down any information you wanted to include in your presentation, which will help in your narrations of the whole presentation. So I'm just going to write something down here, like hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss some salient features of the Constitution. So next, what we need to do is go to slideshow. Actually, this notes pane goes with every slide, so you can actually include any notes you want on every slide. Okay, so we go to the slideshow ribbon and click the record slideshow button. You get to choose whether to record from the current slide or from the beginning. So I'm going to just choose from the beginning because I only have 2 slides anyway. So let's click record from beginning. So immediately, PowerPoint will bring you to the pane whereby it's recording pane for the PowerPoint presentation. So you can see some of the things up here. We have 3 buttons for recording. You click record button here, you can stop and replay. And this is where your notes will be highlighted, whatever we wrote just now. So this is where the scripts comes up. And then here, I'll show you how it works afterwards. Let's just try and record something here. Okay, first we click the record button. So there's a time countdown there. So we're done. So let's just start. All right, hi everyone. Today we're going to discuss some salient features of the Constitution. So there are a couple of things we need to discuss. There are about 12 basic chapters. So down here, if you notice, you can use the highlighter or the pen. So let's just use a highlighter with the green color. So you can actually, write anything you want, just highlight it, draw anything. So that is the function of the highlighter down here. So while you're discussing or you're narrating whatever on your presentation, you can actually use that function. So once we're done, we click the stop button. So the whole presentation will stop. And you can replay back. Just click the replay button. So that's how it works. So if you are satisfied with that, so let's just stop the replay here. If you're satisfied with your presentation, you can proceed and click close here. If you're not, you can just choose to clear recordings on the current slide or all the slides. So it's up to you. So you close this interface. So we'll go back to the PowerPoint slides outline. So what we need to do now is just click the file button here, file ribbon, and export. Click the export button. So then you will come to this screen. So you need to create, just choose the button, create a video. So you first and foremost, you choose the resolution. You can either choose the smallest one or the highest one, is Ultra HD and whatever. So I'm just going to stick to the Full HD button, and I'm going to make sure I use recordings, timings, and narrations there. And then you simply click the create video button, and choose the name of the file. I'm just going to save it under my desktop. So if you notice, it's an MPEG video, MP4. So just click save there. Okay. So PowerPoint is going to convert that. So you can see it's converting now. So you just wait for a while until it's done. So PowerPoint has completed converting it to a video. So we just look for the video on the desktop. So you can see it's a VLC file there. So you can click on it and have a look at how it looks like. All right, so that's basically how it looks like. So in terms of turning it into video, we are actually done. But let's say you wanted to upload this video into a YouTube channel. So you just go to your YouTube channel, just click the plus button, and let's just go to a normal place so that you can see the whole thing. So you go to your channel. All right, so you click this plus button here and upload your video. Okay, so select file. The file should be on your desktop just now. If you're not sure, you just click the quick access. Make sure it's an MP4 file, click it, that's it. And then you're on the way to upload your YouTube, your file, VLC file into a YouTube. So you just click it's made for kids, click next, next, and then you can choose either to make it public or unlisted. I usually put it as unlisted because I share it only with my students. So you're going to save it, and I'm going to click close. So you'll see once it's done, it's going to appear there. Here it's still pending. Once it's done, it's going to say unlisted here because it's not published as public. So you click it, and there is the YouTube video link there. And you can share that with your student. All right. So that is generally a simple way of how you can convert everything. All right. Thank you. I hope that was that's going to be helpful for your class.